Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. What we have here is a 1968-69 Corvette Hubcap. During the restoration process, we utilize a lot of tools like the Pop-A-Dent tool to actually remove the dents out of this outside ring. You want to make sure that you start off with a really nice cap to get a really nice result. The center section is actually cast. So what we do is we go back in there and we bead blast all the chrome off, and we make sure that all the fins are to our liking. Next, what we'll do is we'll go in there and we'll block sand all these ribs and make sure that they're near perfect. Then we'll send it out for chrome plating. This outside cap, we want to make sure that there's no heavy pitting on the inside edges here. It's also painted black on the inside, and we've utilized NOS hubcaps. During the process, we want to make sure that we detail all the little fins exactly like they were originally. We'll go back, mask off the fins here, and then spray it with ceramic coating, which has a really good adhesion properties and heat properties also. Then when we go to install our hubcap, we don't want to push on these edges on the outside. That'll leave little teeny tiny dings. We also want to make sure that the wheel weights on the rim do not impede the hubcap. It could actually push the hubcap, make it not fit so well, and it could possibly bend it too if you apply too much pressure on that thing. I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks, and remember to subscribe to our channel. And you know what? This is not just a poverty cap. To restore these things, you're easily going to spend $3,000 to do it properly. Thank you for watching.